Hello, in that video I'd like to show you our Year 4 KEIOP project, which contains 5 main services. So the functionality of one of the most important services is Session Manager, which allows you to enter the website where you can register, login. So I'm going to create a user called, for example, user1. Password. So registration is successful, but I will enter the service as Matvi because I already have some information pre-entered to the database and it's already stored, and it would be easier to demonstrate how it's working. So pressing login. First of all, you are entering the profile section where you can log out and it's displaying your username. Then I'm going to home page. It's basically a note manager which is displaying you all the topics you have, all the basically notes, which are divided by hierarchy of 3 topics, concepts, and then the chapters, the note itself. So let's go for cloud computing topic. There we have 2 different concepts. I already added them by hand before doing that video, so let's take containers, for example. Then you will see the chapters. I'll pick any of them, and then you will see the note itself, where you can edit it or delete or go back. Also, it displays timestamp, and you could go back by pressing any of these 2 buttons or going back by pressing external buttons. So in edit mode, you're opening a page where it's basically editing the chapter for you, where you can also rename the name of that chapter. Also some advanced features like rename topic name or rename concept name. And you can save it and continue like working on the node. Also, one of the main functionalities is how to add a topic. There is a button which is basically follows you through the whole process of creating a node, starting from topic and then for chapter. So example, I'm gonna add it like year 4. Concept is project. Chapter is KEIOP, which is basically the name of our project. And then I'm gonna enter any node. 1, 2, 3, and hello. And there you go, you will see everything you created. Year 4 project KEIOP, everything is stored in database, and where you can do every steps I just showed you. Then we have an event manager. Event manager, that's basically a service that is showing the latest actions done on the website, like editing, creating, or deleting a node. So for example, if I'm gonna delete the latest node, which is called KEIOP, I'm deleting it, and in the event manager it's gonna show that the node has been deleted with the title of KEIOP, and it shows the ID and the timestamp of that action. Then another service is a task manager, a very good service to track your tasks you're planning to do in the future and also sort them by their importance. For example, I'm going to create a task just to show you. So task is create project. Description. Note manager. So the priority of that is going to be high. And I'm selecting the date for the task. For example, it's going to be Sunday by midnight. And there you go, you will see that the task is created. You also can access it. You have some actions. You can do some actions. You can edit it, mark as complete, or delete it. For example, I'm going to mark it as complete. And then when you're going back, it's going to show as closed. Before it was saying like it was created, like in any other tasks. Then we have a resource manager. Resource manager is a service which is created for storing some links or some resources. Right now it's only storing some links and only names of them. For example, I'm gonna add something for you, KEIOP, and copy that link. So we're basically storing some important information which is going to be related later to our nodes. So after all of that, that's how our KEIOP project looks like. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed that video. Bye bye.